Today, cars come with plenty of cool and innovative capabilities and gadgets. From heated seats to backup cameras to Wi-Fi hotspots to charging ports, there are a lot of fun features inside a vehicle's interior. Together, they make your driving experience easier and more enjoyable, and they also offer more comforts and cool perks for passengers. You even have the option to add more gadgets and handy products to your car for more customization and greater benefits. Whether you're looking to make driving easier, more convenient, or more comfortable, there are plenty of car gadgets available. All the link of the product you find in the description below. Here's 10 coolest car gadgets for 2021. Number 1. LAN-Moto Night Vision System. The LAN-Moto Vast Pro looks to also support driving in low visibility situations. Whether that be in the dark of night, in fog, through a rainstorm or just during times of the day when your own eyes aren't at their sharpest. In this respect, the LAN-Moto is not just about recording the scene in front and behind your vehicle, but allowing you to see the road ahead more clearly. Dual 1080p full-color Starlight Super Night Vision equipped with advanced Sony CMOS sensor, this dash cam provides dual 1080p full-color videos and images with amazing details even in starlight environment. Make it a reliable driving assistant all day and night or in rainy, foggy and snowy days, especially for elders. Backup camera with IP67 waterproof grade, works well even in torrential rain. Night view distance up to 984 feet with Sony sensor and 7 glass lens. The on-dash camera has the view distance up to 984 feet, which allows drivers to gain more reaction time to avoid an accident. 45 degrees angle broader view than naked eyes, makes night driving safer and easier. Real-time loop recording /G sensor /24H parking monitor loop recording allows continuous real-time recording even if the micro SD card, support up to 128G, is full. G sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. 24 hours parking monitor with low voltage protection secures your car at any time without draining car battery while the vehicle is off. The night vision system must be connected to OBD port. Easy and flexible to install and fit in any car. 2 ways to install. Mount on the dashboard by a nano glue base or on the windshield by a nano glue suction cup. Nano glue is washable, durable, and super sticky. 2 ways to supply power to cigarette lighter or OBD port. Installation is easy and flexible. Fits in 99% car models. Note, for vehicle with 24 volts, this night vision system cannot be connected to OBD port. It must be connected to the cigarette lighter with a 24 volts to 12 volts voltage converter. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 56. A dash cam is an exceptional tool for determining fault after a car accident, and the Garmin Dash Cam 56 is our top pick. The device captures images in crystal clear 1080p video, saves video on impact, and will record your GPS location to show when and where accidents occurred. It keeps you safe, it's compact, and it even responds to voice commands. Compact, discrete dash cam with wide 140-degree field of view captures crisp 1440p footage and Garmin Clarity HDR provides increased detail in low light situations. Automatically records and saves video of incidents, requires 8GB micro SD card, class 10 or faster. Dashcam Auto Sync enables you to control and play back footage from up to 4 cameras on your smartphone using the Garmin Drive app. Voice control, available for English, French, Italian, Spanish, German and Swedish, allows you to easily save a video or picture, start/stop audio recording or start/stop the travel app's video capture feature. Number 3. VANMASS Wireless Phone Charger. This wireless phone charger from VANMASS uses coils so you can charge your phone without the need for electrical cords. This is clever but nothing too new as such products are available for your bedside table. However, they have added this cool technology to a smartphone holder that clips securely to your dashboard. Now you have easy access to charging where you can see your smartphone clearly, and without the need to tangle your charging cords around the handbrake. When you buy this awesome car accessory you also get lifetime technical support from the manufacturers and a 1-year warranty as standard. Original multiple advantages: max protection to your mobile and car soft, superior silicone bumpers inside the arms protect your phone all round. Original 3x suction power than other suction cups, rotatable lock mechanisms ensure the phone be steady even on a bumpy road. Original steel cord clip grip tightly on the air vent without any shaking. Best made anywhere, flexible 675 degrees viewing angle mounted to the windshield, dashboard, horizontal air vent, or desk. Adjustable swivel ball allows easily rotate and fix any angle. You can rotate it for a landscape, portrait view, 360 degrees horizontal or 315 degrees side angle in the car. What's more, the telescopic arm could be pivoting up and down 270 degrees and extending it from 5.19 inches to 9.05 inches to match your need. Number 4. Wacaco Minipresso GR, Portable Espresso Machine. For all you coffee fanatics out there, this portable espresso machine is the perfect way to replace your standard gas station brew with something a little more sophisticated. The compact flask offers excellent extraction pressure that results in the perfect coffee every time. It's easy to use, too, and relies solely on hand power, precluding the need for bulky and expensive batteries or compressed air cartridges that other portable coffee machines often rely on. This handy gadget can be used with all ground coffee, giving you complete freedom to brew it up exactly to your taste. Customers say that this gadget is quick and easy to use, perfect for road trips, camping, and anywhere you crave a proper coffee. No battery/electricity need. Manual operation only. Compact, lightweight and versatile, you may use any variety of coffee bean/roast, which will give you more flexibility in trying new flavors. Need to add the boiling water? Minipresso GR is your best choice to enjoy up to 50 milliliters of authentic espresso at home, in the office and on the go. Simple to operate. Add ground coffee to the filter basket with the help of the integrated scoop. Apply slight pressure to level the grind. Add hot water into the water tank. Finally unlock from its travel position the piston and pump a few strokes to pressurize and extract perfect espresso with generous crema. Number 5. Nonda's US Connected Car App Suite. Another great gadget that can be plugged into your car's cigarette lighter is Nonda's Car App Suite. This neat little device offers a number of insights into your car's performance, as well as offering convenient phone charging. The device will charge your phone 2.4 times faster than conventional car chargers. It can also help you to find your car if you forget where you have left it, through a handy app that can be downloaded straight onto your phone. The gadget also takes advantage of the connection between your cigarette lighter port and your car's battery, to keep you up to date on its performance. This insight brings the benefit of giving you advanced warning should anything go wrong with this vital car component. This isn't the only diagnostic feature either. The gadget will automatically keep track of your mileage, and alert you to the presence of parking meters in the area. It's an incredibly useful addition to any car, which could end up saving you a lot of money and hassle. Number 6. BLACK+DECKER Cordless Lithium Hand Vacuum. Although they're better known for their construction tools, BLACK+DECKER's portable handheld vacuum deserves a little accolade all of its own. Perfect for keeping your car interior clean and tidy on the go, the vacuum cleaner features long-lasting lithium batteries that can hold their power for up to 12 months. Alongside smart charge technology that allows it to use 50% less energy than its main competitors. Despite being light on power use, this vacuum can withstand some seriously heavy usage. Cyclonic action keeps the filter clean, while providing powerful suction. Its narrow nozzle is perfect for reaching into all the nooks and crannies in your car interior, too, making it a handy addition to any regularly used vehicle. Number 7. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry Jump Starter. A flat battery really is the car equivalent of the common cold, and if you're a driver, chances are you've had to grapple with this problem more than once. One simple solution to this perennial issue is the jump start, but you can't always count on the appearance of a friendly driver and a set of jump leads. Luckily, Clore Automotive have thought of this exact predicament. Their handy jump and carry system delivers up to 1,700 amps to your car battery, quickly providing the boost required to bring it back to life. The kit also includes sturdy and reliable cables and clamps, as well as a built-in charger. The rechargeable battery within can hold its charge for up to 30 days, making this useful piece of kit surprisingly low maintenance. At 18 pounds in weight, it's not light, but easy enough to stow in your trunk when you'll be driving in rural or freezing conditions. Number 8. Fixed OBD-II Active Car Health Monitor. We all know that prevention is better than cure, and this is no different when it comes to your car. Catching car problems early is the best way to save yourself time, money, and stress, as well as improving your overall safety. Fixed Car Health Monitor allows users to keep track of their vehicle's condition in real time, and offers easy-to-understand information through the connected app. It's simple to install at home, and is compatible with every car manufactured after 1996. You can even buy multiple monitors, and fit them to all your family's cars, allowing you to keep track of everything from the app. Whenever your check engine light comes on, Fixed System will let you know, in plain English, exactly what the problem is as well as its severity. The app also helps you keep track of your maintenance history, reminding you when components need to be replaced, or checks need to be performed. Number 9. Starling's Car Trunk Organizer. For all your neat freaks out there, this collapsible trunk organizer may well be a godsend. Featuring 3 internal compartments, plus 2 pouches on the outside, it's perfect for keeping items organized in the trunk, preventing them from jostling around and becoming damaged. It also has 2 handy carrying handles, so it's easy to transport in and out of the car. Constructed from durable and waterproof Oxford polyester, this handy gadget is ideal for groceries, sports kits, and more. Number 10. Snailax Shiatsu Massage Cushion. Add a touch of luxury to your passenger seat with Snailax's heated massage cushion. This easy-to-install device features 4 heated, rotating nodes, which soothe tired muscles with ease. The cushion offers a wide range of massage options, allowing you to adjust the position and intensity to match your preferences. The node positioning has been carefully designed to match the curvature of your body, making for a comfortable and soothing experience. You can also use it on your couch, office chair, or recliner,